hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Hotter.
Real maroon banana. Yeah, man, Why?
What kind of switching a gun now go on here, so that's you are full of wrongs, you fuck. Why you pointing your gun at a civilian?
A deep city baby, we have to pray deep. John name. You really have focus on it, you know? Real thing.
Yo, why no?
Oh, that's a look a big story, that's one. My room blood.
Man, look up.
Why?
What's it, crowd?
Henry! Yo, keep attack to the road! Yo, keep attack to the road!
Why?
Yo, keep attack to the road! We are coming out right now! Maroon! Listen to me, attack to no!
A chief.
You talk to no! No aggression! Stand up! Stand up! Listen to me, lower your gun! Lower your gun!
Chief has something big for him back
Lower
here.
your gun!
What's scared of? You're scared, bro?
Please exit! Please exit!
No!
Please exit. Please exit. Please exit. Please exit.
Nothing at all.
Calm down. You boy a thief. You.
Let the chief talk. Let the chief talk. Let the chief talk, no brother. Let the chief talk. Come on, no man.
So who them man there? Where them?
That boy a thief. You. Yes, only boy. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come on.
Well, Maroon them make it. Maroon, I want to respect them chiefs still, you know. And them powerful, you know. A damn Maroon. Blessings, blessings, my people. No joke about it, people. And we have to pray real deep in this thing, ya people. Zin? We have to really pray deep, and nothing funny, no joke thing about this. This is Maroon territory in Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers, in the mountains. See? And based on to me, I hear people, them man you know, no uniform, you understand nothing, so you can't tell whether them are some security, whether some criminal or whether them are police or something, my people. But them find themselves, figure come so boom, and gone up in the man them territory, my viewers and subscribers. See? And basically I demand money from the farmer them up there like an extortion thing. So them say this go on a Tuesday now, my viewers and subscribers, the 10th of August 2021. Zin? And all me can tell my viewers and subscribers, Zin, on a serious level. And when me have to look and me pray the thing deep, my people, you understand? To show you how this organization, this clan of these Maroons people are really powerful in Jamaica. Zin, about unity and when me I watch the thing, people, me I share the thing right now on my platform, but I'm just holding a deep meditation while looking at this thing, and I picture myself being among these, you know what I mean, people? Just a picture myself. I represent, I stand up as all one. You know what I mean? So, me have to show respect to that chief, yeah. No joke, because the man come, people, when the man reach up, they notice everything just is like, I don't even know if to put it or if to say it, but the man is so, when the man hold up, whether they call it a bing or whether they want to call it, and him hold it so the people and him hold it firm. See, and him say, leave, exit. See? All me can tell you viewers and subscribers, the Maroons them in Jamaica are really powerful. And you can, it's like it brought you back. You know, when I read in school and you hear the history about the Maroons people, and you hear them come from Nanny Days and Paul Walker Days people, it's like it bring you back to the 17th century. It's like it carry your brain back to them time, even though you wasn't there. But it a picture like you can see it through the man, them people. It's like you can see it through them. See? And you see where the chief have on him back, me view that So right now, people, me I pray, and when I see this, me just look like it's a different settings in Jamaica. See? Just picture just being in this era, living naturally. Just being in a society like this, living, my people. Naturally. And pray the life there. Just pray how them live. See? But on a real level, people, the man them forget them respect. See? I don't know what brought them something there, or what reason give them, or who send them up there. You understand? Whether they want to go do this or do that, you know what I mean? That the people are going to say, that the type of thing them a plant up, them marry this and that people. But whatever permit or paper or documents them have, who send them up there? They go and trouble these Maroons who in the hills and in the mountains and the valley peacefully. Leave the people them alone. Leave the people them in their territory. Leave them alone. If you want to go up there, go join them and be a part of them thing differently. See? But if you want to go up there with a big gun and a pint it up and they look at you them and this and that face, that's disrespectful. See? And I hope the government ministries in Jamaica, the Prime Minister, Minister of Security, Minister of Labor, Minister of everything who represent for these people, you understand, and for the chief and the whole organization, they can look deep into this. See? I did say something about L.A. Lewis, MDP, but L.A. Lewis not wanted that so because I can say this is a different settings than where he might come with. This is the real thing. Real thing. No joke. Big up the Maroons them. Big up the chief. And big up the whole organization. See? You see them look a culprit here. Attack. Straight attack for Uno. But you know finding yourself gone upon the people in place. No joke. No leniency. No play with the attack. But when a gun man, hey, you see Uno? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Big up to yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. You don't know the thing going on. The attacking boss. Fully attack. Peace out.
Don't know. Ease back. No aggression. Stand up. Stand up. Listen to me. Lower your gun. Lower your gun. Lower your gun. Lower your gun. The situation is under control. Please exit. Please exit.
No!
Please exit. Please exit. Please exit. Please exit.
No! You never do nothing. You come.
You boy a thief. You are a thief.
That gun, you know.
Yo, no, move it, you know. Yo, don't move it.
Boy.